you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and let's go ahead and look at another project. And here we'll be sorting words in a string by their length in ascending order. Alright, so let's go ahead and kick off immediately by initializing string variable of str is equal to input, and tell the user to insert, go ahead and say insert different strings. Alright, so insert different strings, and we are going to group them and check it out. So let's go ahead and say first is that first is equal to str.split. So we have to split that is str.split. okay, now once you call the split function, that will help us to split all of them. And then let's go ahead and say length of underscore first is equal to the length, and passing the value of str right in there. Now once you have that, the next thing you need to do is we have to bubble sort this. That's what it's called, bubble sorting. Okay, go ahead and use a for loop and say for I in range of length of first minus 1. Then we go ahead and say for j in range of length minus 1 minus I. Then we go ahead and use an if statement and check if length. So if length of the length of first, so let's go ahead, if the length of first with the value of j, so the value of j is greater than the length of first with the value of j plus 1. Alright, so go ahead and we'll go ahead and say first of j put a comma, and first of j plus 1 is equal to first of j plus 1 comma, and first of j. Alright, so you got to be very careful right here. Alright, so we go ahead and print out that. So let's go ahead and print out that. So go ahead and print space dot join, and we have to join first. Alright, now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So go ahead and run the code, and have to drag this down so you can be able to see what we are doing. Okay, so let's say I have hello, I have word, I have 5, I have 6, I have table, I have chair, I have high, and hit enter. And it says in line 7 there is really a problem in line 7. Let's go ahead and check out what line 7. It says instance not supported between str and integer. Let's go ahead and check it out. So what happened is that we opened this right here. See, we opened this one right here. Okay, when you open this length, remember the length is a function, you have to close this. So I failed to close that, and then this has, go ahead and remove that from there, and that is all. So it should be length of the first of j greater than the length of first of j plus 1. So if that is what we have, it will go ahead and execute fine. Let's go ahead and check it out again. Let's say hello world table, is that Shay or K, anyone, and Peter, Paul, and hit enter. And this is really, it should execute this right now. Okay, let's go ahead and check it out again. Alright, so what happened actually is that when we go for length, remember that length is an integer, and we inserted right the str, which is a string, right in there. So that is not possible. Go ahead and change that to be first. Alright, so we have to take in the first, which have splitted str into it. So once you put in first right here, go ahead and run this code, and it's gonna work out very fine. So let's go ahead and say hello world on 2 of u is a. Alright, so it's going to arrange that according to the length, starting from the alphabetical order. Let's go ahead and hit on enter, and you see that, and this is u a on is 2 of, and this is according to their length. Can you see that? Now I believe that is really very cool. Go ahead and put this down on your system and play around with it, and check it out. And if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.